Hello and welcome everyone, it's Shanna. I am so glad you're here today. Today's video is part of Kendra's Card Challenge 20 and we have a giveaway hop, and for this hop we are featuring Kendra's mystery card kits that she provides for her VIP level membership. On the kit there's a QRL code you can scan to see what's included in the kit. You can see it's a nice big kit, there's a lot in it. This is a Winter Wonderland card making kit. And I'm just going to pull out all the contents and show you what we've got. You can see I've got a bunch of snowflakes, and these are pretty good sized die cut snowflakes, and they've kind of got a white glitter pattern on them. Very pretty. And then I've got several A2 size panels here. There's 4 in it's kind of a metallic silver. We've got blue. We've got kind of a creamy or tan color here, and then we've got craft cardstock here. And there are several panels. There is enough materials included in this kit that you could do the whole 15 set. We've got some embellishments there, we've got some enamel gems, and we have some pattern paper. It looks like we've got some sentiments. We'll just go through the pattern paper and look at it really quick. Oh, we've got a stencil with some gloves and some snowflakes on it. And you'll see there are several, and the pattern paper is double-sided, and it's a 6 by. It's actually a little bit larger than 6 by 6 because you've got the little circle there at the top of the paper that you can cut off and get your 6 by 6. But this is a lovely set of papers, and then you've got some cut-aparts if you'd want to use those, and just a lovely set of papers. So there is ample in here to create a set of 15. Now you don't have to do that with your kit. You can do anything you want with it. It's yours. It also included was a die. It was kind of a leafy die, and I was just looking at it. It's got 2 pieces, almost like a pine cone, and then a leafy die there. And then we've got some panels here that have some cut aparts on the backs of them that she has included. A tag, and then there are some stickers. We've got a wreath and some sentiments, and these are just little stickers that are on there. So you have lots of things to work with. And here's some more floral elements that are stickers. We've got a little banner, and then here's a little floral strip that is also a sticker. And then we've got some sentiments, and I'm pretty confident that you can foil these sentiments if you want to. Now, I won't choose to do that today, but they are printed in a manner in which you could foil them and then just cut them apart. So this is the kit, and I'm going to get everything together, and we're going to make a couple cards. So I've got 2 cards ready here, and we're just going to get to assembling. I'm going to start with sketch 12, and so I've got the sketch there on the screen for you to check it out, and we're just going to get to assembling it. So Kendra has multiple levels that you can participate. Number 1, there is a free level that you can join so that you can get the card sketches and the cutting guide. There is a free level for that. Then there is a supporter level where you can contribute a small amount to just support the challenge, to support Kendra and her work and, everything that she's providing to everyone. And then there is an all access level. And in the all access level, you can get a mini card kit. And you might have noticed when I pulled out my mystery kit, I actually had a mini card kit in there with it, and I just laid it aside. But it is a smaller sampling of a kit that is available for her all access members, and so you get a nice little benefit with that. But the VIP level, you get this mystery card kit along with several other features and bonuses as well. You get access to all, of the previous challenges and the bonus printables and stuff like that she's offered. It's really a very nice bunch of extras that you get with that level. So anyway, I'm just going to get our card assembled here. We're going to get everything laid down, and I really had everything. I did bring in a few sheets for layers for the cards, but basically used all of the materials and just kind of stuck to what was included in my mystery kit for these cards. And I used the sentiments and just brought in some panels to back it up. So I've got my sentiment there. I'm looking for my enamel pieces, and I'll find them and bring them back in so we can add some gems to this card. And I'm just going to get my sentiment laid down on there. So if you're not familiar with Kendra's Card Challenge, basically what it is Kendra provides you with a cutting guide in which you can take 6 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper and follow the cutting guide, and it will yield 15 cards along with the sketches, and it's really, really nice. So there is that one, and now we're going to move on to sketch 15, and we're just going to get busy and get this one assembled. And I brought in my layers, and we're just going to get it layered up. Once you have, downloaded the cutting guide and you have your cutting guide and your sketches, you can create 15 cards. And if you take a picture of all 15 cards, just a single picture of all 15 cards, and enter it into the InLinkz party, and that information is included on your instruction sheet with your cutting guide and your sketches, you can enter it in to win prizes. And we have a bunch of great sponsors that offer over $1,000 worth of products, and you'd have a chance to win prizes. And you can do that 3 times during the quarter. This quarter, of course, October's over. You could do it for November and December. You still have 2 more chances to win. Actually, this video is going to run in December, so you would have the December opportunity to win. So I'm going to get my panels laid down in here. I'm just layering them up. This was a really fun set of 15. There was a lot of cutting and a lot of interesting sketches with a variety of pieces and stuff. So really a fun set. So I'm just going to get some glue and get these laid down on here, and this will finish up our sketch 15. I really love that acorn or pine cone and leaf pattern paper that I laid down there first, and then this green is really pretty. This was a nice combination of pattern papers to put together. And this is the snowflake pattern paper here. And then I'm just going to use the Cozy Winter sentiment that was included. I just took a die and die cut it out, and we'll get it laid down on there. Now these cards came together very quickly because, I'd done all of the prep for it and everything. But I will tell you, once I opened up that kit and I realized everything that was in there, I thought, I know I can make 15 out of it. So I sat down and cut it all apart, and I made 15. And these were the last 2 that I had to make. And so I'm just going to bring them in. We're going to add some embellishments to this. And I was going to just do 14 and 15, and then the way I had them all laid out, I kind of got them mixed up. So then I wound up doing these 2 cards, but I'm going to bring them all in and show you. So we've got these 2, and I'm just going to bring them in order and show you. So here's 1. Here's 2. Sketch 3. And I'm checking sketch 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. And then 12, the one we made today. We've got 13, 14, and 15. So I got the whole set out of this mystery card kit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to enter to win.